Hello guys, hello my people, how are you doing today? Today I'm going to show you how I got this style. It just came in my mind. I'm not used to natural hair, so I've been watching some video to see how I can treat my hair. But yeah, I have this buta, that's how we call it in Swahili. I usually use my tray to just put my hair together so they can be supported and protected if I don't have anywhere to go. So I had an appointment and I was thinking of some style that I can do that would be quick and that won't take my time, and I end up with that style. So I'm going to show you how I did. Please don't laugh at me. I'm learning. If you're still learning how to get your hair, how to treat your hair, your natural hair, you're just like me, please support me, like, share, comment, tell me how I did. I know I'm still learning, I'm not a pro, so come along with me and see how I end up with that style. All right, let me know how I did and down the link below.
It's your time, do it right. Come on, in the day or in the night. Don't be shy, you can try. They can never take your pride. Put them up, you're enough. You can battle through the rough. It's a movement, so needed. Cultivate it and beat it. Let them say what they want, but never believe that you do you, they do them. But love wins in the end, again and again. You can transcend. It's a movement, so needed. Cultivate it and beat it. It's your moment. Yeah, you know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's your moment. Yeah, you know you want it, you can do it. If you push right through it, they can't stop you. You know they can't stop you. It's your moment, and you gotta make it. It's your time, do it right. In December or July, don't be shy, you can fly. They can never break your stride. Hold them up, you're the one. The work is never done. It's a movement, so lead it.